Alright guys, I made it into Homegoods, but look right here, this is like new. I'm like, is this a croissant? It's a seal. He's 35. There we go, little man. That is so funny. I've never seen a blue one. The fish down at the bottom is 25. Tommy Bahama set of 2 glass glazing balls are $29.99. No, this turtle man I think we've seen $29.99. A lot of froggies still. Just carrying them on the wagon, 25. Go down here. Lots of greenery still. Is that one big altogether? Normally it's not. 180 for this one. $20, and then this one right here is 25. That's dragonfly. Okay, these are the same. Nothing has changed on the wreath. What is that, like 65 from 80? Oh, it's broken. Is this 10? I wonder how it is. Like, how they break that?
It's very thin. Very, very thin.
Yeah.
They must have rammed it into something when they were carrying it or something. Like a corner.
$5.99, 50. $40. This one is 40. Hey, it looks like my office plant. That's pretty much dead. These are tea English breakfast. You get 60 bags in them. These are cute prints too. These are so cute. Panda. Teapots are 20. Gosh. Stainless cookware. This is 15. And you get the cover. They're kind of hard to film sometimes on the pots. $12.99 right here. Well, this one is $29.99. The pot section, they get crowded, so I had to leave. I was like, oh, 40 bucks right here. Nest oven 3-piece non-stick roasting set. And they do have all clad. The grapes. Okay, they have these at the at-home store too, so just keep that in mind. And I think at the at-home store they're 80. These are 17. How many do you get in here? It's a 4-piece set. $12.99. They got glass. They got a lot of Miffy, the bows. This cherry one's $12.99. It's another one. It's glass too. These are 15. I kind of like this black one. They're $8 on some of them. Okay, there's people. Oh my gosh, everyone likes the pot section. Parmesan, $3.99. I always hate when I have to walk by the cheese department at my local grocery store because they have that big Parmesan reel, but it stinks like stinky feet. I'm like, ah. These are good. I like that. So, is that a yes? Grandma, is that a yes? Yeah, Grandma. Answer, Grandma. I'm trying to get their grandma's attention. It's kind of funny. They have different colors too. There's like no price on them. Oh, $12.99. There's a yellow, you got a small silver one. There's just so many options to choose from. Funny coasters. What is this one? This is 10. See the knives are $39.99, $29.99. So 30, 40. This is 20. Have you seen so many people in Homegoods, babe? Yes, these are so nice, right? This is like my favorite section too. 17 on the cutting board. Oh, that one's cracking. Beautiful. I know a lot of people like to use this, even if you're not using this as a serving bowl. You can, but some people like to use this as a centerpiece. Oh my God, they're talking about food.
You wish you were green.
It has meat in it. Yeah. And just stir this into it. But you can't find.
I've never seen it. What's that breathing? It's you? He's dreaming a lot. Yeah, dreams like yeah, he's dreaming. Were you doing that?
This is a nice bowl. 25. I like this. He's talking about making like lasagna and all types of good food. Okay. Let me move over here. Hey, this is kind of cute. Like strawberry seed. $12.99. Like that chicken one. I mean, it's not chicken. Hen. Oh, look at the. Okay. 18. Look at the cow one. The cow print. If you like cow print. Yeah, I haven't seen that one. That's kind of cute. Yeah. Chick-fil-A. And more silicone. This one has not the confetti, but a little confetti of strawberries. So that's kind of cute too. Okay, these are really cute. These casserole dishes. They're 15. You got the tomato handle, strawberry. This one with the bacon. Oh, there's a lot of children today. 18. Like, it's weird. Normally, it's not a lot of children in here. But yes, these are cute too, right? They have like the hen. They're like the chocolate hen. I just want to call them the chocolate hen. They're cute. But I like these foodie ones. That's cute. Okay, that aisle was just so crazy. These are $8. Made in India. Lots of bowls too. More wooden coasters. That's 10.
Well, Suzanne shops in here because she brings me plates and all that stuff all the time. Yeah. This is yeah. It's a non-gold.
You go off the balls when they go up and then you come.
All right, good afternoon, Homegoods. We are celebrating our 25-year partnership with the Dana Parker County Region.
20. Oh, look at that one.
Every donation is appreciated, so whatever you feel comfortable donating, rounding up from your
That's
transaction.
$150.
Thank you.
There's some festive tablecloths by Isaac. This one's 15. They have a star one. That's 20. That's actually kind of cute. Call me old, but that's 20. I think it's kind of cute and different. There's the flag one. Stars and Stripes, Ray Dunn, $10. All American,
That's not even big enough to put my toe in.
25. I've not seen a horseshoe set. Look, that's new.
I've never seen that.
Yeah, me neither.
We should get real horseshoes. Probably cheaper.
Look in the back, that's 15, 25. So these are like very reasonably priced. 25 here. I did see a few pop up in the at-home store, but again, the at-home store, it could get kind of pricey. There's those weird bubbles. Like, I feel like you just need a few more than just one. 15. Blossom and Bloom. This is 7. That's actually kind of cute. These are 17. Is that a camera? There is a crystal camera for you. That is 25. That's pretty nice back there too. These are 17. This one is actually kind of neat. This is 25. And I like this, but you know. $25 on the beaded wooden ones. So cute. It's like Oscar the Grouch blanket. This is like a tote. Let me pull this out. $20. It's funny, they have a Hello Kitty one. 20 as well. Oh my gosh. Look, here's a fairy pillow. That's kind of creative. Okay, it looks like Big Bird. I remember in growing up 17, I would go like to the summer program at like this daycare center, and we took a lot of movie field trips. Like summer, I don't know how it is now, but I remember summer being a kid. My daycare, we went to so many field trips, movie theater, skateland, water parks, like you name it. We were always busy. But yeah, follow that bird. I remember seeing that in theater. And that's when they had like a lot of fun back then in the theater, where like they gave you, I don't know, do they still do those kid combo packs? But it was like, you know, much cheaper then. And it just felt like, oh my gosh, look what I got, you know? I don't know, it was just different. But that's funny. I did enjoy the movie when I was little, but I think if I was to watch it now, I don't know if I would like it. Let me go over here real quick. This is 200. What is that? Is that like Harry Potter-ish? Or 80?
It looks like
it kind of looks like it, but it's not.
Yeah, it says Anno 1620. Looks like a coat of arms or something.
Pan back out. Look at this large wall one. No idea on the price on that. That is $59.99. Right here, $49. Yep, $49. And then $59.99. Try not to drop these. $80. $80. My grandma had this small one. I feel like, oh, we gotta lean it.
There we go.
Walk away. I feel like everyone, it's like grandma or something, had like this type of style painting
I still think
in their house.
I saw one where they did the history of the world ending, and it had Mel Brooks in the painting. I thought that was kind of funny.
$80. Ah, I kind of like this. Oh man, but look, it's just $80. Not even plaster. It's like,
It's
I
like
could like
Halloween decoration
punch a
material.
hole through it. That's
Yeah.
ridiculous. I'm sorry. I was expecting it to be a little more heavy. You know, like the clay pots. This is just ridiculous for 80,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
That's a joke. I mean, look at this one. This one's like a I mean, look how much it is. What's this?
100. Well, this is 100. We've seen these before.
Yeah, but 20 bucks more. Get a rock. And that was marble. A gold slab of marble.
70?
For 70. Yeah. Yeah, plastic shouldn't be that much. I mean, this one.
See, and it does light up too. So this is 100 and lights up here. The bunny. I don't know
Is
what.
that real wood?
Real wood. Okay, what are we expecting now?
Damn.
30.
It's real
No,
wood.
it's not real wood.
No, it's not. It is hollow. Hollow plastic.
These are $59.99. I do think these are cool though. Okay, in bathroom. Let me pan back in. Sorry. Have like the bow, a lot of pink, strawberry. These are 10. 10, yeah, they're both 10. And you get like an entire pink set, you know. 7, 8. That's $12.99. This one's $12.99. I know a lot of people like this type of style. And there's also like a light lavender in the back. Let me pull the soap dish. $12.99. Toilet paper holder and like a bamboo cabinet. There's another one, 17 by Rachel though. Have not seen that. It's kind of interesting.
Massachusetts and has provided care for patients since 1947.
$29.99.
Dana-Farber's Jimmy Fund Clinic is one of the world's premier pediatric cancer centers. Funds raised help support their innovative cancer research
Portable
and
iron, like a
patient
flat
care
iron. That's kind of funny.
that
15.
impact cancer patients worldwide. So your donations are much needed and appreciated. Thank you in advance for your donation and thank you for shopping.
This is only $8. Oh, it is like kind of broken at the bottom, but just a storage on it. Maybe all their balls or something. And this large one over here. This is $59.99. They got a pineapple pool. Look at this though. It's like a little. Put them in the pool area.
Put
There's
catnip in there.
yeah.
Let them go nuts.
50.
They never get out of it.
It's kind of funny. Okay, the same Hello Kitty stuff. Treats, all that fun stuff. We walk over here. Dad, I like a lot of dad stuff. Some of their age. You have Grandpa, #1 dad, world's greatest dad. Alright, you guys, I think that's gonna do it for this Homegoods location. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe out there, especially if you're driving. It is, you know, a little crazy, and just be safe in general. Like, there was like 2 students that went to a school, and I think they were doing like a camping trip or maybe a hangout, I don't know. But it's like a big story over here, and they like, you know, passed away. So it's just kind of sad because there's been like little things happening in the desert lately. But yeah, if you're going camping, definitely tell your parents or like people, you know what I mean?